Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to submit a forum topic or reply anonymously in BBP Core. Before we begin, make sure your BBP Core Pro license is activated. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to BBPC settings, then to the Topics section, and turn on the Anonymous Topic option. Next, go to the Replies section. Turn on the Anonymous Reply option and save your settings. Now let's go to the Forums and create a new forum topic. Make sure to select the Post Anonymously option before submitting. You can see that our forum topic has been submitted anonymously. Next, let's submit an anonymous reply. Write your reply, select the Post Anonymously option, and submit it. As you can see, our reply has been submitted anonymously. Thank you for watching.